Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to select where you want your text cursor to remain when you're using your magnifier in Windows 10. So in a more recent build of Windows 10, so in the last 6 months or so, I believe, they actually added the ability to keep the text cursor in the center of the screen when you're using the magnifier, so it's not as clunky maybe as it used to be. Seems to be a little more efficient, but nowadays it looks like it actually gives you the ability to customize where you want to keep the text cursor. So we're going to jump into how to do that, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in settings or left click on the little gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it should say settings. So go ahead and select that. Now you want to select the ease of access tile. So I'm going to go ahead and just left click on that one time. And then I'm going to select the magnifier on the left side. On the right now you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says underneath keep the mouse cursor, and you want to click inside the drop down here, so you can either select within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. So definitely a cool little feature in here. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you keep it centered on the screen, let me minimize that out of here, and let's open up the magnifier just to give you guys a demonstration here. You can see it looks like it's in the center of the screen. So no matter where I move, you can see the mouse is in the center of the screen here. So if I close out of there and I change it back to within the edges of the screen, and we just minimize out of that, and we open up magnifier again. Didn't really need to close out of it the first time, but so you can see what happens. You have to pull the mouse along and it'll push the screen in whatever direction you're looking to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.